Okay, so far this is what we got. This is the 40-liter system. This is 22 liters up here, and I believe this and that side over there makes the 40 liters. And of course we have the extra pouch here on both sides. Everything is tied down pretty good. I haven't trimmed down any straps yet because I have other things coming still. Another seat, 3.9 gallon fuel tank. I do have a gold chain to put on here, but I need to get it cut down, or a couple links taken off, I mean. I've got some KTM hand guards coming and rock risers and a few other things. This is the large Tusk bag, but I'm probably going to do away with this because that leaves me in a confined area, and I need to be able to stand up and operate easily, throw my leg over and stuff. So we'll probably get a Tusk bag that goes up here. Plus I'll have my backpack on me. So we have that. It's just filled with just towels and stuff to kind of fill it out. But it's tied on here. It's got the heat shield. I got a Tusk tool bag here, which is the ADV. Kind of a universal kit. It's got just tons of stuff in here. These are filled with things. So I'll probably break this down to a smaller version of what I really need. And then I got this lightweight poly rope in here. It's for like a tug rope. It's 20 feet. It's super light. In case you need to pull your buddy out, you just tie it to that peg, to their handlebar, or their peg, or whatever. Got my gold chain there. That's gonna look really good. So we got a few other things coming, and then we'll start getting our camping gear. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but we'll see. So anyways, I had this turned around so that way this wouldn't poke me in the back instead of right here. Plus it leaves room for my backpack that's going to be on me, and I can lean back a little bit, and I think that'll be good. So anyways, that's it for now. We'll get back in our next video with our other add-ons. Okay, so I got all the bags put on. I got tools in this bag, tools in that bag. I got basically all my clothes in that one. This one's got all kind of random things, and a few things in here. I don't have everything that I need yet that I'm putting in these bags. So right now they're just kind of stuffed with just random things throughout the house, just to give me some weight. We've got the pan put on, the undercarriage protection thing. So we got the tires aired up to 20 psi front and rear. We're gonna go ride some rocky fire trails right now. I want to get the feel for the bike with the weight. Right now that's just about 30, right at 30 pounds on the back. I don't have my camping gear. I don't have anything like that, so I'm missing like the tent, cooking stuff, coffee thing, you know, stuff like that. So we'll just see how it does with that weight, and then we'll let you guys know.